Yes, please share the slides for 100% International Director Award.
Yes.
Alai Kola Anna Reddy, International Director.
I really feel proud. Already we have given Ambassador of Goodwill Award. 100% International Director Award is given to those people who motivated LMF to 25 in their area. We have given 7 districts, and 7 districts they have to motivate 25 people. And Anaradi motivated more than that. I think nearly 150 people in his districts. I think minimum 150 will be there in his districts. And Hyderabad and Siddipeta and Karimnagar, all this put together, it may be around 150 LMF he motivated in his area. That is why we are giving 100% International Direct Award. Apart from that, there should be 20% growth. That also, more than that he achieved. Really, I feel proud to present this 100% International Director Award to Anaredi. And of course, you know, I told him already about his personal things. Really, I feel proud to recognize him with this award. Thank you.
The next awardee is LIC Balachandran, International Director from District 106.
Yes, I told you already about
160.
Balachandran. He is a dynamic leader. He motivated all his governors to become 100%. There is a good lot of contributions towards LMF and more than 25 and I think around 40 like that he has given. And membership growth also good. That is why we are giving this 100% International Director Award. I feel very proud to present. I feel, see that Balachandran is a wonderful leader in this organization.
Next, presenting the International Director Award for International Director, LIC Murthy.
C. Murthy also very good, nice man, dedicated man. In spite of today, we discussed with him in the board meeting. In spite of his ill health, he regularly in touch with all the leaders, and he himself became qualified for 100% International Director Award. And really, we proud of him. He's a silent and dedicated and committed person. Do all the work silently, and I really feel proud. My good friend C. Murthy for getting this International Director Award.
So next presenting the award to International Director L.I.K. Buchiramaji, who has been a very dynamic leader.
I told you about Buchram. He is a wonderful leader, a very good charity-minded person, and he motivated regularly. I used to talk to him. He is having some 6 districts. All districts are not very good. Even then, he used to talk to them and still motivated them at least to pay something and revive all those districts. Really, we proud of our international director for becoming qualified 100%. Thank you, Buchram.
The next awardee is Alai Rakesh Sharma, International Director.
Already Anupji has explained Rakesh Sharma is a dynamic leader and having very good qualities. Yesterday also he became a faculty to our training programs, and he is a very dynamic, good leader, dedicated leader, and really we feel proud for motivating all his districts. He conducted an interaction meeting with all the governors, and I am very happy to see that he got 100% International Director Award for fulfilling all the requirements for getting this award. Thank you.
And with this, we complete the 100% International Director Award, moving forward with the 100% International Committee Chairman and International Advisor Award. दोस्तों कहते हैं कि काम ऐसे करो कि नाम हो जाए, या फिर नाम ऐसा करो कि नाम सुनते ही आपका काम हो जाए. और ऐसे ही है हमारे अलायंस के मेंबर्स. So presenting the International Committee Chairman and International Advisor Award. And the first one goes to Ally Dr. Sidula Balakrishnan, International Committee Chairman.
Sir, this is over already. Multiple council chairman already we recognized, I think.
Oh, no, sir.
I think that's the wrong slide.
Oh, it's right.
Little you can see the
International
sequence.
International Committee Chairman.
Already we recognize this.
Sanjay.
No, that is remaining, sir. Can we
Oh,
take
that
the
is
Multiple
okay.
Committee Chairman
That is
first?
Ambassador of Goodwill Award. This is a 100% qualifying award. Yes. Let me congratulate my good friend Ramakrishna for becoming 100% multiple council chairman award by fulfilling all the requirements. He has to fulfill only 50 LMF, but he got a lot of LMF in his districts, and he has shown 20% growth. He conducted the multiple council meeting very nicely. I feel very proud to know that he qualified 100% multiple council chairman award. Thank you, Ramakrishna.
The next awardee is Dr. Virendranath, Chairman, North Multiple Council.
Yes, already we have given leadership medal to Virendranath. He is a nice, dedicated man. He conducted all the multiple council meetings, and he got the required number of LMF, and there is a membership growth. Really, I feel proud to know that 100% multiple council chairman award to Dr. Virendranath and a dedicated leader.
And now next 100% International Committee Chairman, ICC and International Advisor Award.
Little, can you tell me this next topic is a multiple council chairman.
No.
Multiple council chairman was already done. I think you have named
District
it,
next is a district governor.
No, it is ICC.
Sanjay,
I think you get advisors and ICC.
100% International Committee Chairman and International Advisor. There will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides.
1 minute. District governor.
Did you find it?
VDG. So, sir, I will read it out. Balance, sir. It is the VDG 1, 2, 3 and Club President Award, sir, and Ally of Year Award, International Leadership Award, Leaders of the Year Award. And Ally of the Year Award, Appreciation, Certificate of Appreciation, International Leader Medal.
No.
And Leadership of Year Award, Leadership of Year, that is the one.
ICC.
Advisor and ICC.
It must be after International Directors, you see.
Multiple council, district governor and award. That is the sequence we made. VDG is the next. District governor, VDG 1, 2, 3.
No, not that far. It is in the beginning only, after International Director.
Mathivananji, if you can find the pictures. Yeah.
No problem.
Sir, I posted in the group also. Just please sequence.
No problem. You start.
Sir, you put it with the other group, sir. Meanwhile, I will send you, sir.
Okay. Meanwhile, let us go for 100% governance.
Yes.
District governor award.
Yes, you give that.
Yeah.
Madam.
Only now 100% governance and 100% president. 2 awards will be there. Whatever available you can.
Loading that one.
100% governors. This is directors.
1 minute. Give some information about things and done. I am getting that done.
Otherwise, you go for 100%
Whatever, I
governor,
don't open it, sir. What is there?
1 minute. It's not opening.
100%
Yeah,
prestige.
you can share the slide that you are having. We'll take that first.
Yes.
1 minute.
Or you select whatever available.
Yeah, no
100%
problem. Just I'll share it.
So whatever available, you start, sir. 100% president
Yeah,
or
yeah,
100%
yeah.
governors.
Yeah, now you can. You can able to see?
Yes, 100%
Yes,
district
governor.
governor award. Yep.
Interstar Sastri, are you ready?
Yeah. So presenting the first award to LIP Venkata Rao, district
already-
governor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Already I told about Venkat Rao while giving the ambassador of goodwill. He is a nice man, and he made more than 60 LMF and around 30% growth also. That is why he is qualified for 100% district governor. I told him about him in the ambassador of goodwill. Really, I feel proud that our district governor, home district governor Venkat Rao, became 100% district governor, and I wish him all the best.
Next, presenting the award to the very dynamic, very hardworking, and a very noble person, District Governor, District 126 North LIJS Kundiji.
Sanjil, you check, I sent.
No, it's actually it's getting delayed.
Anup ji, already, yes.
LIJS कुंडी जी जो हमेशा सबको हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी रहते हैं.
Sanjil, ICC, I sent. Please check.
Yes, Kundi is the man who started the Zoom meeting with the
Yes.
help of the judge's son.
Yes, yes.
He is the first person who started the Zoom meeting.
Yeah.
So he is that type of person. He is a committed man. He now was in Corona, very serious Corona. He
Oh.
come up. He had a fight with the Corona and it come up. He is now feeling good, happy. So, and he is now elected multiple council chairman of the North. So much responsibility on him. In coming period, he will do wonders. This is the JS Kundi.
Really, I feel very happy to know that he became 100% governor. Kundi is our good friend and dedicated man, and he have wonderful leadership qualities, and simple man, and humble, and no controversy, and balanced thinking. Really, he is having very good leadership qualities, and he achieved all the requirements of 100% district governor. Really, we are proud of you, sir, for getting this award. Next.
Next recipient of 100% District Governor Award is Dr. Navina Shetigar from Belgaum.
Navina from Belgaum. Yes. That one. Navina. Yes. Third one, sir. This one. Yes. Third one.
Little, are you sharing that? Little?
Sir, after Kundi, it is there. You have not shared that one.
No, that is here.
No, you share
Navina.
that. Yes.
You can able to see?
Yes. Navina.
Yeah, make it in the slideshow. We are able to see the PowerPoint thing. It's not in the
right, you are
slideshow.
right, but is here some technical problem? And that only I'm checking that. You can go through, go and just.
Okay. Navina, she is a very good leader. She has been with our association for last 12 years. She is also charter member of this, and she is a principal of a school. She is doing wonderful work, and she developed once this district came down, and again she has taken governor, and she has been doing wonderful work. She gave all required LMF and shown membership growth. She started so many clubs. She's working in other parts of Karnataka. Really, I feel very proud. This dynamic and dedicated leader, like Dr. Navina Shetigar, for receiving this 100% District Governor Award.
The next recipient of 100% District Governor Award is Alai Jagata Ram Singh of District 132.
Jagata Ram Singh is spouse of our good friend Ram Singh, and she did a wonderful work. One day I asked Ram Singh and Jagata Ram Singh, sir, your district also should qualify 100%. Then immediately they promised me, no, sir, you asked, we will do it. That's all they told. One word simply, whatever you ask, we will do. And as per promise, they completed all the life members in their district and all qualifications completed 100% district government award. And they extended many districts nearby for so many years. And she did excellent service also in this year. Really, I feel proud to present this 100% district government award to Jagata Ram Singh. Thank you. Thank you.
The next award recipient is Dr. A. Srinivas of District 137.
I think I need not tell about Srinivas. Already know he did wonderful work. He did lot of service activities, and every day there is service in his governorship. Every day, small or big, very big service activity has done. Small activities he has done. So every day he has done a service activity at his hospital involving even Corona period also. And he qualified almost. He did very good. Already 100 life members. It is not a small thing, and he did wonderful. And certainly, I feel proud to present this 100% district government award to Srinivas.
The next recipient is Dr. Premlata Tiwari of District 142.
Apu.
Yes, Premlata Tiwari from District 142.
Yes, Anup will explain. She is also very dynamic lady.
She is a dynamic lady, and she, by profession, she is a doctor. She is working very hard and helping to the corona patient nowadays. She worked very hard this year, and she produced membership growth 80% and produced 14 LMF. This year, this district belongs to the district Alai B.S. Tomar and Ashok Gupta. They both, with the help of both, this district governor work very hard and give the results. And now it is with the 15 clubs and with 14 LMF. So with these words, I present Dr. Premlata Tiwari.
Really, I also attended this district installation. Being a doctor, it is not that much easy to spend time for alliance clubs. Really, we feel proud Dr. Premlata Tiwari and dedicated dynamic leader for being qualified for 100% district governor award. And she has given more LMF and a wonderful membership growth. Really, we are proud of you, madam. I wish you all the best. And you see so many awards like this in future. And thank you very much.
Next, presenting the award to Dr. Anil Gupta, District Governor, District 143 North.
District Governor 143.
Yes, okay.
Dr. Anil Gupta is also another dynamic leader of District 143 with the Jaspal Singh and Dr. Virendranath district. He has given the growth of 30% and LMF, 11 LMF this year. And now he is a elected council secretary, and we hope that in coming year he will produce good result. And with these words, I present Dr. Anil Gupta.
I feel very proud that Anil Gupta regularly used to contact me. He's doing a lot of work and dedicated man committed to this association. And really, I feel proud to give this 100% district governor award for Dr. Anil Gupta. Thank you very much.
Next, District Governor, District 154 North, Alai Ashok Sharma.
Yes, he's a district governor from Pankaj Srivastava district, and under the AB leadership of Pankaj and RK Saxena, this year he worked very hard and produced result. He increased 40% membership and given 6 life member. And this year also he has committed to do more, to produce more result. 3 days before he called me, sir, I give 5 district. I told that is the last year you have given the 5 district, not this year. So, but he is always believed to do work. So with these words, I present Alai Ashok Sharma, District Governor of District 154.
I feel very proud to present this 100% District Governor Award to Ashok Sharma. Especially he came from the district of Pankasi. I think he has been involved in this district for last so many years, and for his contribution for so many years. Really, we are proud of you, sir. I feel very happy to present this award.
Next, we have Alai J. Sundararajan, District Governor 160 for the 100% District Governor Award.
Mathivanan. Of course, I know Sundararajan from the beginning. Mathivanan, you are there? Okay, Sundararajan is a very dynamic leader in 160. From the beginning, he involved in alliance movement. He did so many positions earlier too. Really, I feel very proud to present this 100% District Governor Award to Sundararajan. He is a very dynamic, dedicated leader. This year, they extended so many clubs, so many districts, so many LMF with the support of Balachandran and Mathivanan. I wish you all the best, my dear good friend J. Sundararajan.
The next recipient of 100% District Governor Award is Alai Bina Bhagat from District 168.
Really, I feel very proud to present this 100% District Governor Award to Bina P. Bhagat. She is a very dynamic leader, advocate. I told you already. She extended one district and she gave life members to the extent of qualification from her district, and she gave membership growth by forming a new district. Really, we feel proud for her leadership qualities, and I wish all the best. And I feel very happy to present this 100% District Governor Award, and I wish her all the best in the Alliance leadership career. Thank you. Next.
The next awardee will be Alai Ajudanath Chaba, District Governor 169.
Yes, Chava, already we have given Ambassador Goodwill, and Anubji explained about Chaba. Really, we feel very happy to that Chaba became a 100% district governor. Really, we feel proud, sir, to getting so many awards, and by meeting all the requirements, we feel proud to present this award. I wish you all the best. You should grow like anything in the career in the Association of Alliance Clubs International. Next.
Alai Satish Arora, District Governor 179. The district produced the president is from district Avinash Ori. So under Avinash Ori leadership, he has worked very hard, and this year he produced the result 20% membership growth and 5 LMF with and 4 new club also. So this with these words, he is a industrialist. With these words, we present Alai Satish Arora, District Governor 179.
I feel very proud to present this 100% District Governor Award to Alai Satish Arora for his wonderful work, and really I proud that he belongs to our good friend Wori district. I wish you all the best. I think you can play a very good role in future years to come.
Next leader who is going to receive this 100% district governor award is Alai Rangu Adinarayana from district 192.
And he belongs to our Warangal district. I think Mantri, he can present you. You can present him if he is there. Mantri, if it is possible.
Mantri ji, please unmute.
I request all the governors to stay. When your presidents are presented, you can introduce, you can tell about your presidents. I request all the governors will give the opportunity for you to present your presidents.
appreciation में है.
I request all the presidents to be here to present, all the governors to be here to present your presidents. Mantri, are you getting the, is it possible for you, or shall I say? Maybe difficult to find out, Mantri. Okay, let me congratulate our good friend Rangu Adinarayana. He did lot of service activities as a governor. Apart from that, he has done, he is qualified for becoming 100% district governor as per our requirements. Really, I feel proud to present our 100% district governor award to Rangu Adinarayana, our district governor. Thank you. Sir, next. Sastri.
Sir, next we have Alai A.N. Purushottam, district governor 202.
My good friend Purushottam is a wonderful person from Chennai. Almost he is maintaining the district 202. And he is trying for his best to improve in the district. And even then, even though it is small district, he fulfilled all the requirements for 100% district governor. Really, I feel proud, my good friend A.N. Purushottam, for getting this 100% district governor award. Sundarvelu Mathivanan.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Alai Sundarvelu is the Chartered District Governor of District 215 Bangalore. Last year only I started this district, and this was sponsored by me. And he is a young and energetic youth who is having a tendency for helping the community development. So he is to help all the community people in a larger scale. And apart from that, he is having one cooperative bank in which he is the founder president. And he is doing a lot of services, and certainly he will be helpful to our association, sir. And moreover, he had completed all the criteria for the 100% district governor award. So he has been awarded, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I feel very proud to present this 100% district governor award to our good friend, what is his name? Sundarvelu, and founder governor. Sir, I wish you all the best, and you progress like anything in the leadership career. Sundarvelu, okay. Next.
Next we have Alai S. Balachandra, district governor 216.
Our Balachandran will introduce, sir.
Balachandran, you are there?
Balachandran?
I request all governors be ready to introduce your president shortly.
Okay, sir. Alai S. Balachandra is the district governor of District 216, Cholamandalam. And of course, he is residing in Chennai, but he is having good contact at Thiruvarur and also he has accepted few clubs there. And he had done a lot of services, sir, especially it's a rural area. For the women development, he did some training centers, tailoring and all he is doing. And he had completed our criteria for 100% district award. He enrolled about 5 LMS and more than 30% membership growth he had shown. So on this basis, he has been awarded 100% district governor award. Thank you.
Sir, I feel very proud to present this 100% district governor award to Balachandra for his wonderful improvement, even though it is a new district. Thank you very much.
Next, presenting the award for Dr. M.P. Rajesh Khanna, District Governor, District 217 South.
Yes, sir. As I already told, he is Guinness record personality, having more than 100 centers for training dance, songs, music, all temple cultural activities. And apart from that, he is ambassador. He is working as ambassador for few countries. So certainly, it will be helpful to promote our Alainism in his areas. Thank you.
I feel very proud to present this award to Rajesh Khanna. Already we have given award to him. Really, being a charter governor, you became qualified for 100% district governor award. Thank you very much.
The next recipient of 100% district governor award is Alai S. Rajendran from District 219.
Rajendran is a very dynamic leader and matured leader, and he made his district with 15 clubs, and 219 is growing like anything because of this great leader. Really, I feel very proud to present this 100% district governor award. I think I wish him a glorious leadership career in the Alliance movement.
The next awardee is Alai C.H. Vijayalakshmi, District Governor 225.
Yes, already I told about Vijayalakshmi, and she is very committed. And even though a new district, in spite of so many troubles, she motivated leaders. She worked day and night, and she qualified for 100% district governor award. Being a new district is very difficult to get this award. Really, I proud the qualities of C.H. Vijayalakshmi, and I am very happy to present this 100% district governor award.
Next, presenting the District Governor, District 227 South, Li R. Selvaraj.
Yes, sir. As I already told, he already received that leadership award. His district is 227 Virudhunagar, which is very near to Rajapalayam, and it was sponsored by District 223. In this year, he had done a lot of service activities, and one of our local corporator is the club secretary of this district. So he is doing a lot of service-based instruments. So he had completed all the criteria for getting 100% district governor award, sir.
I am very happy to present this 100% district governor award to my good friend Selvaraj for his wonderful commitment of completing this all requirements. Thank you.
Next, we have Alai S.C. Gnanasekharan from District 234.
Yes. Alai C. Balachandran is there. He is the correct person to introduce him because he had sponsored the district. If he is not there, I can introduce. Balachandar, are you there?
He is there, sir. He is there. Sir, unmute.
Balachandar?
Balachandran is there, sir.
Then he can do that job, sir.
Sir, Balachandran, sir, please unmute your mic. Unmute.
Is he doing, sir?
Please unmute your mic and speak.
Otherwise, no problem. Madhuvan, you can introduce.
Okay. S.A. Gnanasekharan is the Chartered District Governor, District 234, remote corner of Tamil Nadu, Nagapattinam, which is a coastal area. And he had developed that district. He started with 5 clubs, and ultimately, within the year, he had developed to other 10 clubs also. He made it as a full-fledged district. And being it's a rural area and highly thickly populated fishermen and all, he's doing a lot of services for the rural people. And he had started this training for women empowerment. So he is doing a lot of things, sir. So, and he had completed all the criteria for 100% district governor award. So it has been awarded.
So I congratulate Gnanasekharan for getting this 100% district governor award. Even though it is a small district, he qualified and he met all the requirements with the motivation of Balachandran too. I wish all the best. Thank you very much.
So now ending is the 100% district governor award, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Second,
now
I
moving
think
forward,
ICC and IA.
Which one, sir?
ICC and IA.
Okay.
International Committee Chairman list I sent now. You
Yeah,
check.
yeah, one. I will take it that one.
Okay.
Very few awards is there, 100% president awards. I request all the governors, please prepare, you have to present your presidents. Governors, I will ask you to present
Sir, I
your
think
president.
if they are on roll, why district governor will be there, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He is putting, sir.
yeah,
So that is a PDF file I received. I will share that. Are you able to see, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
ICC.
yes.
Yes. Tell, you are telling or can I tell?
So you can say you are.
Directly I can tell. Yes, yes. Really, I feel proud because we have to recognize them. Otherwise, by showing slide, it is not wise. We have to tell something because in YouTube is there. Tomorrow they can know this what we are telling about them. Really, I told about Sidra Balakrishna earlier also for leadership medal. I feel very happy as a committee chairman also. As a committee chairman also, very few committee chairmen became 100% governors, and Balakrishna became by sponsoring 3 LMF, I think, or 2-3 clubs also. Really, I feel very happy to present this 100% International Committee Chairman Award to my good friend Sidra Balakrishna.
Next, we have Ally M.K. Verma, International Committee Chairperson.
Anupji.
Ally M.K. Verma, International Committee Chairperson, is also great leader. He is an architect of District 169. When he was district governor, then he gave the good growth of 169. And then he became International Committee Chairperson. There also he gave 3 new clubs and 3 LMF. So he is working also till today. He is working for the growth of this District 169, and he is a result-oriented man. He is an ex-banker, and with these words, I present Ally M.K. Verma.
I congratulate M.K. Verma because many committee chairmen are not taking seriously to get this 100% International Committee Chairman Award. But really, I feel proud you fulfilled all the requirements for 100% International Committee Chairman Award. I feel very happy to give this award to you. Thank you. R.K. Saxena.
R.K. Saxena, everybody knows.
Everybody knows, I need not tell. And R.K. Saxena, a banker and a dynamic leader. Whatever the rules is there, procedure is there, he will follow. Really, I feel very happy. He is a big asset to our organization from the beginning. He served international secretary when Pankaj, I think sometime, secretary treasurer with Bhatnagar, I think. And he is a good man, he is a knowledgeable man. And he also fulfilled all the requirements for 100% committee chairman. Really, I proud to present to my good friend, R.K. Saxena, this 100% International Committee Chairman Award. Thank you. And already we have given award also to A.N. Purushottam. He is a nice man and dedicated man, always first for charity. And whenever we have some duty, you want to fulfill 100% the duty. Even though district is small, he could fulfill all the requirements. Really, I am happy to present this 100% International Advisor Award to our good friend A.N. Purushottam. As an international advisor, yes. International advisor, few people, we have 4 or 5 people, very few people only got it. Really, I am happy that Purushottam got this award. And Rajendran also, already I told you, is a district governor and also is the advisor. He fulfilled there and here also. Really, I feel very proud to present this 100% International Advisor Award to my good friend Rajendra for his wonderful work. Next.
So that's also.
Until
This,
VDG 1, 2, 3.
yes,
Yes.
next.
Let us finish that. I will read fastly, you present.
Yes.
And all of you know our Rajesh Sarrav is a dynamic leader. And he will be first man for any task. And he will ask, I will do it, sir. Don't worry, I will do it like that. He will take all the risks. And he played a very great role as a vice governor also. Not only playing at multiple and international, he played a great role in the district. He became a 100% vice governor. Really, I'm proud and I feel very happy to present this 100% vice governor award to my good friend L.I.K. Rajesh Sarrav.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Sirisha also a very good friend and dedicated leader. She has grown from the club secretary, very good communicator. And the district, when the district governor is not taking much interest because of Corona, he could not attend. But Shirisha has taken all the responsibility of the district. She cleared all the dues and she brought the district in line. Really, I feel very proud that Sirisha became the 100% Vice District Governor Award, and she can do wonders as a governor in this year. Thank you, Alai Sirisha. She conducted Merlo seminar and everything as a Vice Governor. She did all the jobs. And communication also, she is very perfect in communication. Really, I proud of you, Sirisha. Hemant Sharma.
Yes, in the district 1 to 6,
Yes.
Alai Hemant Sharma, Vice District Governor, and now became a district governor. He elected as a councillor also, and he in the Vice District Governor time with J.S. Kundi, he has given 4 LMF and 2 new clubs. He is main tool in increasing the membership growth in District 1 to 6, and now he is a district governor. We hope that in this year also he will produce good result. With these words, I present Alai Hemant Sharma, Vice District Governor 1.
I congratulate Sharma for your wonderful work. Nowadays, vice governors are feeling, let the governor do, when my turn comes, I will do. But you didn't feel like that. Being a vice governor, you did all your duties and became qualified for 100% Vice District Governor Award. I feel proud to present this award. I wish you all the best. And Katakam Rajendra Prasad is an excellent leader in 137. And as a vice governor also, he became a qualified. Already he planned a lot of things in District 137. All the leaders in 137, they take very systematically, go with very good goals. I know Rajendra Prasad is a wonderful leader, dynamic leader, and systematic person, having very good knowledge. Being vice governor, he qualified almost as 100% vice governor. He did more than that. I wish him all the best as a governor too. You should be the best governor next year. I feel very proud to present this award to you. Thank you. Shashikarna Gupta, Anandji.
Yes, he is Dr. Shashi Kiran Gupta, District 142. I just about told Dr. Premlata, both are ladies and working very hard, shoulder to shoulder, and they produce result. And they see by the Vice District Governor at that time, she has given 2 new club and 3 LMF with Dr. Premlata Tiwari. So this is, she is elected as a district governor, and I hope this year they will give good result also. With these words, I present Dr. Shashi Kiran Gupta.
Really, we proud the governor and vice governor for bringing wonderful results. Both of you qualified as 100%. I am very happy to know that you are doing wonderful work and you became a qualified for 100% Vice District Governor Award. I congratulate you for getting this award. Thank you. Sir, Ramesh Mahajan.
Yes, sir.
Anupji?
Ramesh Mahajan is a great leader. And when we attend the convention of A.N. Chava, there we see the leadership of Ramesh Mahajan. He is now district governor. Ramesh Mahajan is now produced the result. He has, in his time, he has given 3 club, 3 LMF. And this year, I hope he will give 15 new club and so many LMF. He is a great leader. He is a coming leader of North Multiple. And I congratulate him. And with these words, I produce L.I. Ramesh Mahajan.
Really, I feel very proud to present this 100% Vice District Governor Award to Ramesh Mahajan. I came to know that you are going to do wonders as advised by the Anupji. Really, I congratulate you to achieve all these things and have a wonderful career in alliance movement. Thank you. S.A. Sudha, and she belongs to Parathi Viswanath district. She is very dedicated, dynamic leader. And even though governor could not get the award, this is a peculiar situation in this district. Vice governor did more than the governor. That's what the special qualities of our leader, J. Sudha. I think now she is becoming governor and she will do more and more as a governor. Really, I feel proud to present this 100% Vice District Governor Award to S.J. Sudha. I feel very proud. Why Ramesh? He became direct governor. He didn't do vice governor. Vijayalakshmi brought him as governor directly. And recently we installed him. I told him while installation and core committee meeting, if you give a few clubs and for some LMF, then immediately has given 3 LMF and also given some clubs. Really, I feel very happy. Within 1 month only, he has become qualified for this position. I congratulate Ramesh, and he is having a lot of plans in this year. I feel proud to present this 100% award to you. Thank you. And I also happy our Vice Governor 2. Now he became Vice Governor 1. Next year will be the governor. He is a very dedicated leader in Lions, and whatever he do, he want to have 100% success. And he promised 2 clubs this year, and 1 club is family club with all LMF. A model club he has given. All 15 or 16 members, I think 16 members are LMF. And normal club also is given. He is a medical distributor. Whatever camps we do, he sponsor all the medicines. He is dedicated, a wonderful leader. He will be an asset to our district 105. Really, I congratulate Gandhi for getting this 100% Vice District Governor Award. I wish you all the best. As you said, you can do extension like anything in the current year under the leadership of Rajesh Rao. Thank you. Next
we have L.I. MP Singh Binaka, Vice District Governor to District 126 North.
L.I. MP Singh Binaka, Vice District Governor 2. He's a great leader, sir. He is a great leader. And he has produced 3 LMF and 2 club with J.S. Kundiji. And coming years also, he will produce so many good results because his leadership quality is reflect with his deeds and work. So we congratulate you, sir, for wonderful work you have done for the association. With these words, I present L.I. MP Singh Binaka from District 126, Vice District Governor 2.
I am glad to know that MP Singha Binaka for becoming 100% vice governor. I know all the leaders of 1 to 6 are wonderful. They select such a leaders. Really, I feel very happy. Now this Singha Binaka has given, I think, first vice governor. Sir, you continue the same spirit and you show success whatever post you have taken future. I am glad to give this award to you. Thank you.
Next, presenting the award to Ally Shailesh Agarwal, VDG 2, District 143 North. Can we change the slide, please?
Anupji.
Yes. Shailesh Agarwal is a also dynamic leader. He has given 1 new club and 4 LMF. And now he is a district governor of the District 143. And he is committed to Association Alliance Club International. And he will produce good results. With these words, I present Ally Shailesh Agarwal.
Sir, I am very glad to present this 100% Vice District Governor Award to Shailesh Agarwal. I am very happy to know that he became a governor. I think with this spirit, you can do wonders in the governorship. I wish all the best and see that there will be success as a governor and be best governor in the next year.
Next, presenting the award to my very good friend from the West, Ally Purvi Shah, VDG 2, District 168 West.
You can introduce you, madam.
And sir, I'm very happy because I introduced Purvi to Allianism, and she is a very good leader. She is connected with lots and lots of organization, and she has also started modeling. She's working in a few movies as well. She's a superstar of our Surat. So yes, very kind by heart, always doing a lot of activities, a multifaceted personality, Purvi Shah.
I congratulate Purvi Shah for becoming 100% Vice District Governor Award 2 award. I am seeing you regularly in the Facebook. You participate in all comments and really you are encouraging so many leaders also. Really, I feel proud that you received this 100% Vice District Governor Award 2 award. I wish you all the best.
Next, presenting the award to RM Chauhan, Vice District Governor 2, District 169 North.
Yes, RM Chauhan, the great leader, sir. Whenever you meet him, you find more energetic person. He always ready to do any work you assign him. He will complete that job. In his being a vice district governor too, he has extended 2 new clubs and 2 LMF. And now he is vice district governor 1. In coming period with Ramesh Mahajan, I think he will give good result. With these words, I present Ally RM Chauhan.
I am very proud to present this 100% Vice District Governor Award 2 award to RM Chauhan. As said by Anup ji, he will have a wonderful career in Alliance Movement. I wish him all the best.
Next, presenting the award to Ally Kulbhushan Saxena, VDG 2, District 179 North.
Anup ji.
Ally Kulbhushan Saxena is encyclopedia. And he's a very great man. You meet with him, you will find the person of joy. He will create so humor when you sit
Sir,
with him.
Slide is not coming. Why? What any problem?
But now he's a vice district governor 2. Now he became vice district governor 1. He's a more capable person. He's from our international president district. And now he is a right hand of our international president. With these words, I present Ally Kulbhushan Saxena ji and over to international president.
Congrats, Saxena sir, for getting this 100% Vice District Governor 2 award. Really, I feel very happy to know that you are very active and play a major role in the coming years. I am very glad and to present this 100% Vice Governor Award to you. Thank you.
Next, presenting the award to Ally Galipeli Nageshwar, Vice District Governor 3, District 137 South.
Sastri, can you introduce?
Now we have
Shalay.
Alai Galipalli Nageshwar, Vice District Governor 3 of District 137. Who has been practicing naturopathy doctor and has been played key role in bringing make his club most of the members life members, and he has sponsored another club also.
Really, I am very happy being a third Vice District Governor. I think very few districts have this post. And Nageswara is very active. He is contributing. Your governor also used to say me. He is supporting like anything for all the activities.
Really?
Whatever the activities district taken up, he used to participate. Really, I feel very proud to present 100% Vice District Governor third award to Galipalli Nageshwara. Wish you all the best.
Congratulations to all the Vice District Governor, and moving forward, we have 100% Club President Award. Can we have the slides for the 100% Club President Awards?
I request the respective governors, please be ready. Whenever your district come, you can introduce your presidents.
Presenting LIP Muralidhar, Club President, District 105 South.
Our Governor Venkatrao is there. P. Venkatrao. If Venkatrao is not there, our Rajesh Rao can present them. Rajesh Rao. I think both. Can you identify Rajesh Rao or Venkatrao? Madam, is it possible? Sir, if you are there, you raise your hand. Otherwise, I have to do.
Let me see.
Venkatrao or Rajesh Rao? Because we have some awards from our district.
No, I'm not able to find him, sir.
Can you find out Rajesh Rao? I think he is a host, he can interfere. Rajesh Rao. So let me present Muralidhar, a club president from Sekakulam.
Sir,
The
shall
host
I?
right now.
Sir, shall I?
Yes.
Muralidhar is the
Vijay Sagar, you can present us as a secretary, no problem. Yes.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. He is from Maripal Oda Layout Club, sir. He
Okay.
is very dedicated person, very sincere. Last year, he is the secretary for that club under the leadership of our VDG1 Alai K. Rajesh Rao.
I congratulate Muralidhar for getting the 100% club president award. I wish you all the best in future too. Next.
Next we have Alai Amareshwar Rao, Club President, District 105.
You can introduce Vijay Sagar.
Yes, sir. He is from Northeast Club, sir. He is also very dedicated member. He is the home club of Alai K. Rajesh Rao.
So congratulates Amareshwar. Your club is doing wonderful activities for becoming and 100% club president award. Next.
The next award goes to T. Meena Kumari, Club President of District 105.
Vijay Sagar.
Sir, T. Meena Kumari is from Barampuram Central Club, sir. This is all total family club members under the leadership of L.I. Vasadi Satyanarayan. They are doing very good service activities, sir.
This is the first club with family club, and all the members they attend with family. Very good attendance. They have the system of going for tours also, all the club members. And whenever we go for meeting, we will not miss even one couple also. This is a wonderful fellowship club and is the first club in the international. They have such a wonderful fellowship and do continuous service. And I wish all the best, Meena Kumari. And I feel very proud to get this 100% club president award. And your leader, Satyanarayana, is playing a major role, and he guide you and motivate the club. I feel about Satyanarayana also for his wonderful efforts.
The next award goes to Alai Suri Apparao.
Yes.
Sir K. Surya Apparao garu is the Alliance Club of Anakapalli President, sir. Under the guidance of our District Governor, L.I. P. Venkatrao garu. They are doing the good service activities.
That's a very good leader. You do lot of service activities. By virtue of a family, you got lot of properties. Now prices have gone up. He is doing wonderful service activities. He used to participate in all tours also whenever we go to abroad. I really congratulate Surya Apparao for getting this 100% club president award. I think they have given more than 9 life members.
The next president who is going to receive award is Alai Kalagarla Venkat.
Sir, L.I. Venkat is our Alliance Club of Visakhapatnam, our main club, home club member. He is very active in all district activities, even international conventions, everything. All are very known to him, and he is very good in service.
Venkat is known international people also know Venkat. Last time when we conduct international convention, any program, he is the first man in preparing the invitations and communication and receiving the people, and all the help he will do in all the functions, whatever we do. He is a close associate with our Visesarao. I really feel proud. Today also he is suffering corona. That is why I think whether he is seeing in the hair, I really feel proud of our Venkat for his wonderful getting this 100% club president award. Even though in corona he contacted me several times and submitted all the information. Thank you, Venkat.
This good virtual background he only created, sir.
Yes, all yes.
In spite of corona, he has created a background scene.
Yes, created. Very good, very nice man. Sir, who is BM Lalita?
Next we have BM Lata.
I think she is from Sunrisers Club, sir. Newly.
Yes. And Chapandi.
She is also very good active leader, sir.
Yes. Even though new club, and she has done and became a 100% club president award. Really, we are proud of Lata. I think we missed her photo.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Next we have Alai P.
And Sirisha is there. Or Venkat Reddy.
P. Suryanarayan Reddy from District 106.
If Sirisha is not there,
Buchiramji is there.
Buchiram, you can present for 106.
Sir, I think Sirisha is there, sir. She is raising hand.
Sirisha, please give her.
Sirisha, unmute your mic.
Sirisha, unmute yourself.
Yes, speak.
Suryanarayan Reddy from Kakinada Servant Club, sir.
Madam, voice is less.
Volume.
Hello.
Your voice is less.
Suryanarayan Reddy from Servant Club, sir. From Kakinada Servant Club. He sponsored 16 new members for this year, and he sponsored 5 life members, sir.
Yes. Saruna is a wonderful club and guided by Sadhanani. All the years, every year it is a wonderful club. They do wonderful service activities. Really, I feel proud about this club. Actually, I used to install this club every year. They wanted me to install. Generally, I won't go for installation of clubs, but even then they will ask me. I used to go because at the instance of Sadhanani always request me to come. I used to go. Really, I feel proud, Suryanarayan Reddy, for becoming 100% club president award for the, and they have been doing continuous service. Always there is service in Kakinada by this club, continuously for several years. Thank you.
The next award goes to Alai N.K. Mahindru.
126.
126.
Sindhu, who is governor? 126
Yes,
Governor
Kundi ji.
Kundi.
Kundi is
Allied
there.
JS Kundi ji, we are
I think-
there. Please tell about NK Mahendru.
Kundi is there. Can I speak? Sir, can you identify Kundi?
Sir, Kundi ji is not connected.
Then Vice Governor.
Judge is there. Judge can explain.
Okay, can judge you can present, no problem.
Both his audio and video are off, sir. You have to unmute.
Judge.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, NK Mahendru is a man. He started club with 55 members.
Oh, very good.
One of the biggest club of district 1 to 6. And he done 52 service projects in a span of 8 months. So wonderful president of Alliance Club Jalandhar Samarpan. He is a very good social worker, sir.
So let me congratulate.
Here I present.
Okay.
Yes, here I present Ally NK Mahendru for 100% President Award, sir.
So we feel very proud about Mahendru. You started with more than 50 members, new club, and really hands off for your wonderful work. And I wish that you contribute more. I feel very proud to say that you received this.
At present, sir, he inducted 10 members more.
Yeah,
So,
very good, very good.
65 members club, sir, at present.
Okay, very good, sir, very good.
Biggest club of district 1 to 6.
Yes, next.
Alai Padam Lalji, sir, he is a very dynamic leader. Home club of our district governor and council chairperson Alai JS Kundi ji belongs to Lions Club Phagwara Royal. So he is very dedicated towards the service. So he is a very good man. He produced 5 LMF in his club this year.
Very good.
And he sponsored 1 club, sir, also.
Very good, Padam Lalji.
Next, presenting.
Getting 100% Club President Award.
Sir, I present 100% President Award for Alai Padam Lalji.
Yes. Next.
Alai Bakshish Singh ji, sir.
Yes.
Sir, he is a very gentle person. He belongs to Alliance Club Phagwara Royal. He belongs to Alliance Club Kapurthala Royal. Kapurthala is a royal city, and Royal Club of Royal City, sir. Alai HS Bawa, Joint International Secretary, Home Club of Alai HS Bawa, Alliance Club Phagwara Kapurthala Royal, sir. Sir, he also gave 4 LMF this year, sir. So he is a very dynamic leader, sir.
Congrats to Bakshish Singh ji.
I present 100% President Award, sir.
Congrats to you for getting this 100% Club President Award. Really, we are proud of you for your wonderful work.
Sir, Lai Balbir Singh Rana belongs to Alliance Club Kartarpur. He also gave 1 LMF, and he promised in the coming year he give 2 or 3 LMF in coming year, sir. So
Congrats, Balbir Singh Rana for 100% Club President Award. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Next.
Alai Arvind Bans. Sir, this is Ryan Arvind Bans, President of Alliance Club Jalandhar Aman. This is a home club of Alai Rakesh Sharma, International Director, and Alai MP Singh Binaka, First Vice District Governor. So this club has a very dynamic leaders. So Arvind Bans is has given 7 LMFs this year, sir. He gave 7 LMFs and 2 new clubs sponsored by this club with the help of Ally MP Singh Binaka. So he is
Congrats,
a very
Arvind.
dedicated leader, sir.
Yes, yes.
So I
Congrats,
congratulate
Ally.
100% President One.
Yes, complete, sir.
Sir,
Congrats,
please.
Arvind, for getting this 100% Club President Award. Really, we are proud of you. Yes.
Allied Kulvinder Singh Sidhu, sir, is the president of Lions Club Phagwara Greater. He is also very dedicated leader towards the service, sir. So he is he gave 2 LMFs, sir, this year.
Congrats, Kulvinder Singh Sindhu, for getting this 100% Club President Award.
I congratulate, sir, to Kulvinder Sidhu, sir. Allied Dr. Munish Mehta, sir, he is the president of Alliance Club Jalandhar City. He is very good friend of mine from school time. So he also gave 1 LMF this year, and he promised in the future he gave 2 LMFs, and every year he done very good service projects on diabetes. One diabetic seminar, I always take one diabetes seminar from his Dr. Munish Mehta. So I congratulate Dr. Mehta for 100% President Award.
Thank you, Minish, for getting this 100% Club President Award.
Allied Jitendra Soni is a charter president of Alliance Club Jalandhar Golden Kings. Sir, he is known in my area in Jalandhar as a blood man. He donated blood 137 times, sir.
Oh, very good.
So he is a very dynamic leader, sir.
Congrats, Jitendra Soni, especially for blood donors. You are saving lots of lives. Really, I feel proud to present this 100% Club President Award.
Thank you, sir.
I think we have to conduct separate.
Alai Rajkumar is a president of Alliance Club Nakodar. This is a home club of my district governor, Alai Hemant Sharma. So he gave 1 LMF and 2 clubs this year, sir. He's very dynamic leader, sir.
Yes. Congrats, sir. Rajkumar, for your wonderful work and getting the 100% Club President Award.
Alai Dr. Harpal Singh. Sir, I feel proud to announce the name of Harpal Singh. This is my home club.
Yes.
So 52 members club, sir. He gave 2 LMF this year and 2 new clubs. And in the outset, sir, he in the Corona period, he gave 1.5 lakh from his own pocket to serve the humanity.
We are very proud for Harpal Singh for doing wonderful charity and contributions, at the same time getting 100% Club President Award.
Thank you, sir. I congratulate Harpal Singh, sir.
Next slide, sir.
Sir, Alai Harsh Makkad. He is president of Alliance Club Jalandhar Sevak. This is a home club of Vice Governor to Alai Harpreet Kaur. Sir, he gave 1 LMF and 1 club this year, sir. So I congratulate Alai Harsh Makkad for 100% Club President Award, sir.
I feel proud that you got the 100% Club President Award.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So nice of you, sir.
Thank you.
My district awards are finished.
Yes.
Thank you.
This Navina is there. 131. Governor. Navina. Navina is there. If Navina is there, raise your hand. I can present Manasi. She is a very dynamic leader and young, and she is doing MBA. But even then, she used to participate in all the activities, and she used to help Navina. She is a strict follower of Navina. She is doing wonderful work. She attended all the meetings. I wish her all the best for becoming 100% Club President Award. Congrats, Navina. Manasi. 131S, anybody is there? S. Mathivanan? Sir, Anupji?
No idea, sir. Who, sir?
Krishna Govind Patil.
No idea, sir. It is
131 means Belgaum?
Belgaum, sir. Yes.
So, Navina is there. She gave message. I request Navina
No,
to
sir.
unmute.
I think she left, sir.
No, she is there. She has given message just now
Oh, I see.
in chat box. Navina, please unmute. I think permit Navina to speak. She has given message. I am here. You raise your hand, Navina.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can present.
Hello. Yes,
Manasi.
sir.
I have given already to Manasi and Krishna Gowda. You can speak.
Yes, sir. Because I could not. Yeah.
Yes,
Good evening, all. Mr. Krishna Gowda Patil is a retired engineer. In fact, he is a government contractor, and at present he is into his business in Mudhol. He's a very good social worker, and he has been with us for the past few years. And I'm sure that under his able guidance, we will be able to achieve much more.
And you can tell about Manasi.
Yes, Mansi is the youngest leader of our club, who is very much enthusiastic. She is hardly 22, but then at this age, as our international president rightly said, she is a MBA graduate, and she is into social activities. I mean, she is inspired by her father, who was a school principal, and they are running a cooperative society too. And she has contributed a lot to the social activities during the pandemic as well as during the flood time.
Okay, thank you.
She is very dynamic, and I'm sure that she will be able to contribute much more.
Congratulations, Krishna Gowda, for getting 100% Club President Award. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Subras, 132S. 132 means it, I think. Subras, 132S, where, sir? Mathivanan? 132S. Mathivanan?
Actually, I don't know, sir. This is Rajapalayam Ram.
Maybe Rajapalayam. I think nobody has come from Rajapalayam.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let us congratulate 100% for getting 100% Club President Award to Subras from District 132S for qualifying with all the requirements. Next. This also, I think, from same district.
Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that is the last lot we have sent you.
Let me congratulate Rajeshwari for getting 100% Club President Award.
Only two
Next.
LMF have to come from.
I also congratulate SP Shankar Narayana from District 132S for getting this 100% Club President Award?
Same district, sir.
And Muthuvel Perumal, let me congratulate him for getting 100% Club President Award.
Chalasami also.
Yes, I congratulate K. Chalasami for getting 100% Club President Award. Many presidents got in District 132. Yes, really, we are proud of them. Katakam Surender. I think our Srinivas, Alagandra Srinivas is there. Or Katakam Rajendra Prasad. Srinivas or Katakam Rajendra Prasad, you can introduce him. Or otherwise Sastri. Anja Moria, anybody? Sastri?
Sir, Srinivas Alagundala is there, sir. He's raising his hand.
Srinivas Alagundala, so you give him, he is the governor. Srinivas, please raise your hand.
Yeah, he's raising hand, sir. It seems.
Please unmute him.
Yes, sir. Good evening to International President Alai B. Tirupati Raju ji and Alai.
Srinivas ji, please unmute yourself. You have the rights given.
Yeah, he is speaking.
Yes, he is speaking. Tell Srinivas.
I think he might have unmuted.
Srinivas, please unmute.
I think
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening to all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais on the virtual meeting. And good evening to Alai Sri Tirupati Raju ji and Alai Anum Mittal ji. Sir, I am proudly presenting my district 137. We have total 11 presidents out of 20 club presidents. Won the 100% award, sir. Total LMF we have achieved 95, and regular membership we achieved 99, sir, which includes the 194 membership growth, sir. In this 194, we achieved 80% of growth, sir. First of all, I would like to congratulate Katakam Surender. He is cousin of Katakam Rajendra Prasad, who is Vice District Governor 1 and is elected as a District Governor now. He achieved 7 life members and 1 club, membership club in that area, sir. I congratulate Katakam Surender, sir.
Okay, congratulations Katakam Surender for getting 100% Club President Award. Okay, next.
And they'll move, slide.
Next. Next. Tell Srinivas. Srinivas.
Sir, repeatedly, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
somebody
you are
is
having about
Brahmanandam.
Yeah.
Brahmanand.
Somebody is muting me, sir, every time. Unmuting, sir. So, sir, second one is the Siddhula Brahmanandam, who is son of Siddhula Balakrishna, who is our SMC Vice Chairman too. He has increased the 2 clubs, sir, and 2 life members, sir. I congratulate Siddhula Brahmanandam.
Next, congratulate Siddhula Brahmanand for getting 100% Club President Award.
Sir, next, I congratulate Dr. Sridevi Soumya. Yes, sir. Dr. Sridevi. She is my wife, sir. And she has like 14 life members club and 2 clubs. And she is very active and she has supported me entire year for all the activities for the permanent projects like Antima Yatra vehicle, Last Rite vehicle and ambulance, which has given very glorious recognition of 137 in entire Telangana, sir. For that, my wife has supported me, and now I congratulate my wife, Dr. Sridevi, Vasudeva Club. Thank you, sir.
Really, we are proud, sir. Without support of your Sridevi, you cannot do all these things. You have done wonders as a governor in this year, and also your Sridevi also became 100% Club President Award. We are very proud to give this award to Sridevi. Next.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Next, sir.
Srinivas Gandhi, Chikoti.
Sir, it has not changed, sir. Screen. Yes, sir. Now I am presenting Mr. Srinivas Gandhi Chikoti. He is the person retired from a BSNL office, and he is having very good hold in Vasavi Club. I brought him to our organization. He has given 20 life members and 10 regular members. With complete life member club he has made. The club name is, he is really working hard for Alliance, sir. Thank you, sir.
Really, we are proud of Srinivas Gandhi, especially all members, life members means model club, and he also getting 100% Club President Award. I feel personally proud of him for giving this wonderful contribution to our district. Okay. Next.
Sir, next Alai Basaveni Komaraya.
Yes.
Alai Basaveni Komaraya, sir. We approached this gentleman with the help of Ida Kumaraswamy in the month of February. So we approached him and we conducted one meeting and motivated every person, and they promised 15 life members, gave 6 life members and regular members 9, made a complete life member club, but 9 life member club had to pay, 9 life members amount had to pay. Because of second wave, he could not able to pay. So shortly he will pay another 9 life members. And I congratulate Basaveni Komaraya Garu, Golden Life, Golden Mines Godavari Kani Club President, Chartered President.
Okay, very good, sir. I congratulate 100% Club President Award to Basaveni Komaraya for getting this award. Okay.
Sir, next person is very good businessman. His name is Martetti Srinivas. When we approached him, he has promised one life member club. He achieved 15 life members. He has done within 6 hours. Within 6 hours, he has given 15 life members, sir. For that, I exercised 2 days. I sacrificed my patience, my work for 2 days. I achieved this club. And he is the person who has given almost 100 people insurance to the auto drivers. So he has given wonderful work, and he is from coal mines area, and he is promising 2 more clubs in that area, sir. And our chartered president, Satya, sir. Congratulations to Martetti Srinivas, sir.
Really, we are proud of Srinivas for motivating all these dynamic leaders. Many of our presidents have given 100% Life Members Club. Really, we are proud to present this 100% Club President Award to Martetti Srinivas.
Thank you, sir. Sir, the next dynamic person, Allied Dr. Penchalaya. He is a senior most general surgeon from Sirsila, sir, which is the constituency of KTR, K. Tarak Rama, who is the one of the, is a son of KCR, and this man is very close to that person. So he promised one more life member club from Vemulavada, which is very close to Sirsila. And I congratulate Dr. Penchalaya Garu for giving life member club. Thank you, sir.
I congratulate Penchalaya for getting this 100% Club President Award. Really proud of you.
Next person is Alai Mahesh, sir. He is from Smart City Club, sir, Alliance Club of Smart City. He has sponsored 6 life members. the home club of Alai Galipelli Nageshwar, Vice District Governor, sir. He has motivated and he achieved 6 lakh members, sir. So I congratulate Mahesh, sir.
Okay. Really, I am very happy to present this 100% Club President Award to Kanjarla Mahesh for doing wonderful work in his club.
Fast chala bhai.
Sir.
Next.
Alai Bhaskar is from Kapawada Club. He has sponsored 2 lakh members, sir. Already there are 66 lakh members in that club, home club of Kolana Reddy. So now he added 2 more lakh members, sir. Congratulated Bhaskar.
So congratulate for getting 100% Club President Award to Bhaskar. Thank you.
Sir, Alai Mahendra Reddy Kasturi is assistant to me in my work, sir. He got motivated by seeing me, and every meeting he used to attend and he used to take the photographs. So finally, end of the year, he motivated, he himself has given a youth club, entire 16 people, young and youth people. Since Corona is there, they could not able to do the activities, but shortly they will give very good results from the village of Nagnur. So Alliance Club of Nagnur. I congratulate Mahendra Reddy.
I feel very happy to present this 100% Club President Award to Mahendra Reddy Kasturi.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to present Alai Sriram Bhadraya, who is the retired employee from the Andhra Bank, sir. He is the very good leader in Andhra Bank. So he promised one club from the bank, retired bank employees. So this man is also a very good man. And I took 1 month to convince him to bring this club, sir. He has given complete regular members club, and he promised that club to be converted 100% life member club. Sir, I congratulate Sriram Bhadraya.
He is not looking like a retired man. He seems to be very young. And he can do wonders.
Yes,
and
sir.
I congratulate him for getting this 100% Club President Award. I wish him all the best.
Thank you, sir. Sir, next presentation is Alai Durga Ashok. He is from the Alliance Club of Karimnagar. Our Charter Governor Satish Club he belongs to, and he has given 4 lakh members, sir. So I congratulate Durga Ashok, sir.
Yes. Really, I feel proud to present this 100% Club President Award to Ashok Durgan.
Sir, sir, with this, our district 137, 95 amount paid, and 9 people yet to pay, and 99 members have regular growth. So entire amount to paid people 194 growth, sir. 80% of growth we achieved with the support of all PDGs, VDGs, and each and every member. I thanks to all the district 137 people, and also thanks to Tirupati Rajuji and Anupji and all international faculty, international team for made me to do all these activities and achieving of 194 growth. I think this is the highest growth in all international, and with all your motivation, I can able to achieve this, sir. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. And thanks to sir. Thanks to giving opportunity.
Now you are a leader of 7 districts. Next year as international director, you have to produce the same results in all the districts.
Thank you very much, sir. Definitely, with your support, I will do it, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Thanks for this opportunity.
Okay, thank you.
Now I advise to go fast.
Yes,
You are
sir.
already
No, sir. Today, Danupji, today we finalize the President's Award. The special awards I will give you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Special awards, few people are there. That awards we can give tomorrow. It will not take much time for them because already it is late. Let us finish the 100% Club President Award. I think most of them are covered. I think. Okay, next.
So Pankaj Singh is there. So
Pankaj Singh, District 142N. Sir, who is this 142N North, Anupji?
142 North, Ashok Gupta ji there, or Dr. Premlata.
Anybody can present them?
Anybody is present from District 142?
Raise your hand. How many still is there, sir? President awards?
Sir, this total 80, sir. Now we are first 40. If we
Completed.
finish this set, first 40 is over.
Another 40 is there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
let us
what you
complete.
do, you will finish this.
You carry on, sir. 142 is not present. You carry on.
Okay, then go ahead, sir. If they are there, we'll give them. Otherwise, congrats, Pankaj Singh, for getting 100% president award. I will say like that.
Congratulations. Yes.
Congratulations, Gyanendra Sharma.
Okay, forward.
Ashok Kumar Gupta.
So this is first 40 is over. Next 40 will finish up that one, sir.
Yes, sir, we'll finish fastly. If the governor is there, we'll ask him. Otherwise, we'll congratulate them.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Already too late.
And special awards we will give tomorrow.
Sir, B.T. Raju, sir.
Yes.
From Bangladesh, Rana is raising his hand, sir.
Who, sir?
Rana.
Yes,
Muhammad Yasir Rana.
Okay, ask him what he want to tell.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Rana, please tell.
Good evening, sir. I am just happily announced the two life members, me and my wives.
Yes, sir.
In this special occasion.
Okay, thank you, Rana sir.
At the same time, I am trying to increase it more and more.
Yes. Really, we are proud of you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rana. We'll meet tomorrow. I think we'll declare tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
Congratulations.
Yes, congrats. If they are there, okay. Otherwise, go ahead.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Okay, congratulations.
Sir, Madhivanan sir.
Next.
Because, sir, this will come in YouTube. That is why this we are telling.
Yes, Senthil, tell me.
No, sir. This you can say, sir.
160, yes.
This is Vanitha Mohan.
Yes. Sundar Rajan is there. Sundar Rajan, district governor is there, sir.
Sundar Rajan, sir.
Sir, Sundar Rajan, read fast.
Sundar Rajan, sir, is there. Sir, somebody unmute, sir.
No, he is
unmuted.
I have unmuted and I...
Yeah, sir. You carry on, sir.
I take this privilege to introduce all the 9 presidents who have got this award, and it is more than recognition. It is I need to thank each and every one of them. And since time is pressing, our international president will just congratulate each and everyone and pass it on to. Thank you very much.
Congratulate Vanitha Mohan. Turn the slide, sir.
Us.
Then we'll go one by one fast.
I congratulate Nitya Kalyani for getting 100% Club President Award. I congratulate G. Rangarajan for getting 100% Club President Award. I congratulate Mani Megalai Sundar Rajan for getting 100% Club President Award. I congratulate Mrs. Shanti Murthy for getting 100% Club President Award. And I congratulate M.K. Mahendran for getting 100% Club President Award. I congratulate S. Sarvana Kumar for getting 100% Club President Award. And I congratulate Usha Ritini Kumar for 100% Club President Award. I congratulate L.I. Dakshinamurthy for getting 100% Club President Award. I congratulate Chandrakant Soni for getting 100% Club President Award.
Hey, forward.
I congratulate.
Sir, can I present a little bit?
Yes.
Yes, why not?
Hello.
Please.
District, yeah, sir, four presidents from 168 West, and I'm very proud to present. Yeah,
Okay.
yes, yeah. I'm very proud to present Chandrakant Soni. He was a very nice, dynamic leader, and had been even connected with me for my Surya Namaskar projects, and has been actively participating. Next, we have Alai Jayant Shah. Jayant Shah ji is a very good leader. In fact, he has already been a district governor, a very successful district governor, and supported me as a VMCC for the last year, and has contributed towards the growth of our organization. Always a very good well-wisher of District 168. Parimal Modi, he has a long history with Alliance. He is the charter member of Alliance Awareness, Surat Awareness Club since 10 years. Since I am the member, he is also the member. And if I say, he has conducted 1,000 free medical checkup camps until now, it would be less for him. He is the director of Maitriya Hospital and had been connected with lots and lots of hospitals. And right now also, every day, he is a very big Corona warrior. More than that, he has sponsored 3 clubs, 3 doctors club in Surat. A long biodata, nor time is short. So yes, a very dynamic leader of 168 West. Next, we have Alai Mukti Nayak. And she is a very sweet lady, my very nice friend, and always ready for any project that is coming up. And she also has sponsored total 4 clubs until now. So bright future with Mukti Nayak, and a very good leader. So thank you, sir, for giving me the time. Thank you, and congratulations to all the dynamic leaders, all the dynamic presidents of 168 West.
I congratulate all the presidents of 168 West. Really proud of you. Next.
169.
North. Anybody is there, sir, Anupji?
Anybody from 169? Chabaji, Ramesh Mahajan, if anybody is there, we congratulate all the presidents, sir. We
congratulate all the presidents of 169 and
169.
100% club.
Move forward. Move
Satish
forward.
Balla, read sir, turn. Satish Balla and Amardeep Singh and MS Narola and Alai Raman Saini, JS Nagpal, JP Singh, 179 answer. Any person there from the district?
Avinash Oriji there. Saxena, Avinash Oriji.
Please raise your hand if you're over here so that we can see you.
Avinash Oriji will be there.
Actually, we have the slides on the screen, so I can't see people. You have to
So
raise your hand, then only we'll be able
let
to
me
see.
congratulate all the presidents of District 179N, Sudarsana Agarwal and Yogesh Chauhan and Mayank Arora.
This is 202, sir.
Yes, all the districts, all these presidents for getting 100% president award. Let me congratulate for the efforts of these leaders. Now we are going to 202S.
Only one president, sir.
So let me congratulate K. Govindan of District 202 for getting 100% president award. And let me congratulate B. Murali of District 214S for getting 100% club president award. I feel very happy, Alai Mohandas, District 216 for getting 100% club president award. I also feel very happy that K. Palaniappan
Rajendran must be there, sir.
and 219S
Rajendran.
for getting 100% club president award. Rajendran.
Sir, Rajendran raised the hand, sir.
Sir?
Little, can you?
Yeah. Yes, I'm
unmuted.
trying. You have to unmute yourself.
Sir, Dr. K. Palaniappan is a chairman of the Beta Group of Schools. He became a life member and as well as sponsored one club and promised another club.
Very good. Congrats.
Alay Captain V. Selvaraj, he became a life member and sponsored one club.
Very good. Congrats. 100% club president award to him.
Alay GP Babu is an entrepreneur. He became a life member and sponsored one club.
Congrats BP Babu for getting 100% club president award.
Dr. C. Muthukumar is a doctor in government service. He became life member and sponsored one club.
So congrats Muthukumar for getting 100% club president award.
Dr. K. Satya Ganesh, correspondent of a school, and he sponsored 3 clubs.
Congrats Satya Ganesh for sponsoring 3 clubs. Really, I feel proud that you are getting 100% club president award.
Dr. P.L. Mangalambihai, she's a director of Bharat Hospitals. She became life member and sponsored one club, and she conducted 10 cancer awareness camps last year. And today, this year also, she conducted a cancer awareness program on the Zoom.
Congratulate PL Mangalambingal for conducting wonderful service activities and getting 100% club president award.
That's all. Thank you, sir.
This
Yes,
is
next
234,
234S.
You can pass, sir. Total.
Let me congratulate Mrs. B. Amuta, 100% club president award. Next.
Same district, sir. Muthumani.
I congratulate Alay Muthumani, District 234S for getting 100% club president award. J. Sundarambal, District 234S for getting 100% club president award. Mrs. Geeta Rani, District 234S for getting 100% club president award. Alay Senthil, District 234S for getting 100% club president award.
Yes, sir. That's all.
That's all, sir. Sir, what about this appreciation certificate, sir? It's also pending. Tomorrow we can take.
No, appreciation certificates we cannot give, sir, now.
Okay.
I think we'll send through post only. Tomorrow we'll give special awards.
Okay.
Alay Sudha here, sir.
Sir?
Alay Sudha from 214.
Yeah.
Alay Murali has given a 100% president award. He has
Yes.
started a new club, Kundratur Sai, and he has become second vice district governor for 214. Yes, South this year.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Sir, let us adjourn the meeting.
Sir, sir, 2 to 5 presidents rally, sir.
Rameshwar, already we read, madam.
Sir, Murali Krishna.
Let me congratulate Rameshwar for getting 100% club president award.
Excuse me, sir.
Yendi?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
2 to 5 presidents rally, sir. Murali Krishna, Madhubabu.
Have you given the list?
Ichchen, sir. Sir, Kichenu. Anup Patel, sir.
Sir, Anupji, she is asking.
Sir, tomorrow she
Two club presidents.
written. And up to that time, the list already been finalized.
Already the slides over. Please tell their names. I will read now.
Okay, sir.
You can tell. I will congratulate them. No problem.
Murali Krishna.
Murali Krishna.
Murali Krishna, 2 clubs sponsoring and life members, sir.
I congratulate Murali Krishna for getting 100% club president award.
Madhubabu.
I can also congratulate Madhubabu for getting 100% club president award from 2 to 225.
2 to 5, sir.
Yes, 2 to 5. Yes.
2 members, online senior members, sir. Is
Okay.
it?
Very good, madam.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So let us go for adjourn the meeting. Tomorrow we will meet exactly at 10 o'clock. And special awards is there for the chief people who worked well. That only pending. All other awards we have given today. Really, I am very happy and thank all of you for keep waiting for long hours, because we want to recognize the performance. That's why we have taken long time, because it will come under YouTube. Whether they attend the convention or not, tomorrow they can see that they are recognized in the international convention. I request our Mathivanan-ji, let us propose the vote of thanks. Tomorrow, please attend early at 9:30 itself. Let us start at 10 o'clock. Tomorrow we have business session and maybe the mementos for the important leaders at the international. In my welcome speech, I cover these mementos to all the important leaders at the international. And after that, we go for business session. I request all of you to participate, because we have to elect our leaders. We have to hear for our new leaders. And I really congratulate all of you for being, stay with us patiently for morning to evening. Really, I proud of you. Thank you. And I request now our Mathivanan to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, President. Dear officers of Alliance Club International, all the time, right from 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock, about 6 hours
Yes,
constantly,
yes.
we made them to sit.
Because Zoom meeting, you could able to give like this, otherwise it's not possible.
Yes. So even then, we are all happy, sir, because it's the right time to honor our performers. So I thank all the persons who are assembled here, more than 200 members here, and we enjoyed this evening. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. I adjourn this first day convention, and let us meet tomorrow. Okay, thank you, Senthil Kumar. And you have done nearly.
Good night. Good night, everybody. Good night.
Shastri,
Good night.
really, you did very well. Today, I am very happy. You conducted very nicely all the procedures and systems. And I
Very
don't
nice
think any.
conduct.
Yes. It is nice. You prepared very well.
Thank you
This was the first
everyone.
time-
Thank you
Yes,
very
yes.
much, sir. And yeah, I just had a few network problem, because of which I was disconnected. I am sorry about that. I apologize
I
for
congratulate
the
all the team,
inconvenience.
Mathivanan, Senthil Kumar, Usha, Nital Shah, and our Shastri, and Vijay Sagar, and Rajesh Rao, all the people. They really, I was with them. Daily we used to sit up to 12 o'clock. Even VM Rao.
Okay.
Daily we are sitting up to 12 o'clock to finalize all these things. They have done wonderful work.
Sir, we proved through online this many hours is a very big success, sir.
Because, sir, why I spoke, if we show only slides now, we can finish very quickly. But they will not have satisfaction.
Exactly.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Enjoy.
Thank you, Nital. Thank you. Thank you, sir, Madhavan, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dolores. You stayed up to end.
Thank you, sir.
Very
Thank
nice.
you very much.
Yes. And Rana also. Thank you, Rana. You stayed up to the end.
Thank you.
From other countries, so many people. Let us see
Dana is
tomorrow.
also there.
Sir?
Dana is also there.
Dana and all people from foreign countries. Let us see next year we can celebrate at least in your countries. Okay, thank
So
you.
next year, I would suggest we'll do online as well as offline, so that people from other countries can also join somewhere, like a few people who are not able to travel also can join. So
Yes,
plan something like online plus offline.
Yes,
No, as of today also we did know. As of now, this is live going on Facebook.
yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir. Good night.
Kulbhushan. Good night,
Good night,
everyone.
Good night.
Good night, everybody.
Yes.